Hello everybody! I had this post-it and photo holder for quite some time around the house and I always wanted to improve the look of it, but I never got around to it. Until today that is, cause today we will decorate it and turn it from plain and boring to cute and colorful. Did I mention it has a boring color? I couldn't let it like that and so I used a permanent marker to change the look of it a bit. Since it's made from some type of wood, the color sticks to it quite nicely. Now I will make the decorations and since I want to keep it simple, I will use the same shape for my entire project, so I will make some tiny bent circle teardrops of various colors. We will also use some tight coils to fill some gaps, but all in all, this project can be done with just one shape. After working on getting the bent teardrops ready, I will put them to good use and make some flowers at first. It's a fiddly job because they are so small, but I have to admit that I like them precisely for this reason. And even if they are so small, they still have details in the middle which give them that distinctive quilled look. And now let's start arranging my pieces on the paper holder. Here it's up to every one of you to figure out which design you will do, but have in mind that you should try a few patterns and see which you like the best. To help you remember each pattern, just take a photo with your phone to have as a guide later. Me, even if I imagine my piece in a certain way in the beginning, I modify my design along the way most of the times, and what you see here is just a small part of my arrangement process. And that's it. Hope you liked today's video and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. I thought I would do this little guide to give it a better look, and since we're on the subject, just think at how many items you could find around the house that could use a bit of decoration. You only have to learn one shape and then you can transform your playing boring things into conversation pieces. So when are you gonna start? Thanks for watching and take care!